I have loved my Bissell Little Green for over a decade. I have used it on carpet and upholstery and everything in between. So I was thrilled when Bissell came out with a new portable pet carpet and upholstery cleaner, the Little Green Max Pet. And I want to unbox this and put this to the test. So let's go. Here's how it comes out of the box. It's ready to go. And off the bat, the first thing I noticed about this, even when I got the box, is this is notably smaller than its prior version. And that is so cool to me. If they can pack that amount of power in a smaller device, that means this can fit into a smaller storage space when not in use, and it's easier to carry around. Now, I really like the handle, feels really good. And the hose wraps around it and is almost 6 feet long and has some stretch to it, so you can definitely get to a lot of places with this. And then this is the main head. What's so cool about this is not only can you pop it open, because this will fill up with gunk as you clean with it, but this scrubbing part right here, which is great for upholstery and carpets, can come off. And then you can put on this one, and this piece is kind of rubbery and definitely designed to catch pet hair, clean up cat hair, dog hair. If you run this along the upholstery, it's definitely going to capture all of that for you. And that is a huge win to me. Now, to put it to the test, I want to add the Tough Stain Cleaning Tool, and I'm going to snap this back on the top, and this is ready to go, and it goes on really cleanly. Now, how this works is really simple. It has a trigger right here that when you hold down, it's going to spray out your cleaning solution, and then it's constantly has suction right here, so as you run this along, it will pull up that solution and the stains. And the scrubber, you can scrub as you're working through, going back and forth, sucking up all of the solution and the stain in the process. And then this is so cool. On the back, it has the spray function, which I just explained to you. But if you slide this down, it goes to clean out function. And all that means is any solution spraying in will be going through the accessory only to clean out the buildup and the gunk. So it's ready to keep going. This is where you'll add your cleaning solution. It has 2 places to fill it up. If you're cleaning a large area or a small area, it shows you how much water you need to fill it with and then how much cleaning solution you want to put into it. And you'll definitely want to use a solution for a portable carpet cleaner. Bissell has fantastic solutions, and they very clearly say whether they're for their portable cleaners or their upright cleaners. So get the right one. And so once you get that on, that's ready to go. And as you're cleaning, this is the side that will fill up with the dirty liquid. It's a pretty cool lid, but overall, this is really simple, and that is so key as it makes it really easy to clean. Once you're done, you'll just want to dump what's in here and rinse this out and let it air dry. So I've already put the water and cleaning liquid into the container. Snap that right in. I have my scrub brush ready to go on spray. Let's turn it on and see how well this works. I just did a quick spray to start. It sprayed very cleanly once it started going. Now I want to test this real quick and see how it cleans itself. That was really cool. When it's on this, I can see that the spray is shooting up inside it and cleaning out this area. And now I'll get to actually cleaning the chair. Let's go. Now, all that gross brown stuff was in my chair cushion. That's embarrassingly disgusting, but I'm also incredibly impressed at how well this Bissell Green worked. And I really love the self-clean function, as this definitely will get built up over time. I remember that with the prior one, so that's really cool. One thing to keep in mind with these is you definitely want to pay attention to where you're spraying. You can see that I sprayed all the way over to the table here, and that is why I didn't do such a good job spraying the edges, but I'm gonna grab a towel and then get this chair fully clean. And I am so thrilled. If you are looking for a super compact and powerful carpet and upholstery cleaner, this is the one. The Bissell Little Green Max Pet.